My bills are paid and I can buy groceries and I can afford health insurance.
Imagine a world where the real estate market is being transformed by structures no larger than 600 square feet. Welcome to the era of tiny homes, a rapidly growing industry that has seen a staggering 200% increase in the last decade. Not just a fad, but a lifestyle shift that champions minimalism and community living. The appeal of tiny homes has even caught the attention of big retailers such as Amazon, Home Depot, and Costco, who are now offering DIY kits for building your very own tiny home. A story that embodies this trend is that of Tiffany and Dale, a couple who dared to dream small and in doing so found a big payoff. They made the decision to build a barndominium, a charming fusion of a barn and a condominium, using a kit that cost them just $26,500. Now you might be wondering, what does a barndominium look like? Well, imagine a 30 by 40 feet pole barn graced with metal siding and white beams. Tiffany and Dale hired rocksteady builders to erect the structure and then added plumbing, an outdoor porch, and interior finishes like hardwood flooring, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Their home now features a master bedroom, a second bedroom, and a completed bathroom. The couple found the investment worthwhile and plan to live there long term. It's a testament to the affordability and sustainability of tiny homes. The beauty of this trend is the range of options available, whether you're into the rustic charm of a barndominium or prefer something more modern. Retailers offer tiny home kits with prices starting from under $50,000. And if you're a DIY enthusiast, many of these kits are delivered ready for assembly, making it easy to set up your tiny home quickly. Another inspiring story in the world of tiny homes comes from the sunny city of Oakland, California. Meet Ansel Troy, an innovative Airbnb host who saw an opportunity in the tiny home trend.
I call myself a tiny house hacker because I figured out a creative way to add more living space to this property. My home is 840 square feet, and then there's this detached garage at the back of the driveway. And then the tiny house on wheels craze, if you will, started to pop off, and I got very curious. I went out and bought my first tiny house, and that's how the tiny house journey got started.
Ansel owns not one, but two tiny homes, each carefully designed and outfitted to offer a cozy, unique experience for travelers. Nestled in the heart of the city, these tiny homes provide a perfect blend of urban convenience and tranquil retreat. With their compact size, minimalist design, and eco-friendly features, they have quickly become a popular choice for tourists looking for a unique accommodation experience. But it's not just about providing a novelty stay for visitors. Ansel's venture has proven to be a profitable business model, showcasing the potential of tiny homes beyond just residential use. From the steady stream of bookings to the glowing reviews, Ansel's Airbnb tiny homes are a testament to the versatility and potential profitability of tiny homes.
My mortgage is $1,600 a month. So if you can imagine, if I'm making $6,000 a month off of the tiny houses, give or take, my bills are paid and I can buy groceries and I can afford health insurance. So it's actually changed my life so much that it is my primary source of income.
Ansel's success story shows how tiny homes can not only be a lifestyle choice, but also a profitable business venture. The tiny home trend is not just about downsizing and affordable living, it's also about innovative ways to make living spaces work for you. States like California, New York, and Vermont are even providing programs to help cover the cost of building accessory dwelling units, or ADUs, further making the case for tiny homes as a solution for affordable housing. So whether you're looking to save on mortgage payments like Tiffany and Dale, or just fancy a change from the norm, consider the benefits of tiny homes. It's more than just a house, it's a lifestyle, a community, and a statement about sustainable living.